Deveining Shrimp, a step-by-step guide. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the culinary term, devein shrimp. This phrase might sound complex, but it's actually a simple and essential technique in cooking. Let's dive in and learn what it means to devein shrimp and why it's important. Deveining shrimp refers to the process of removing the intestinal tract of a shrimp, which is often dark in color. This tract, sometimes called a vein, runs along the shrimp's back. While it's safe to eat, many people prefer to remove it for aesthetic and textural reasons. There are a few reasons to devein shrimp. 1. Appearance. The vein can be visually unappealing. 2. Texture. Some find the texture of the vein unpleasant. 3. Flavor. Removing the vein can prevent any gritty texture or slight bitterness. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Peel the shrimp. Start by removing the shell. 2. Make a shallow cut. Use a small knife to make a shallow cut along the back. 3. Remove the vein. Gently pull out the vein with the tip of the knife or your fingers. 4. Rinse. Wash the shrimp under cold water. Sharp knife. Use a small, sharp knife for precision. Butterfly technique. For a more decorative look, cut deeper and flatten the shrimp. Keep shells. Consider saving the shells for making seafood stock. Is it always necessary to devein shrimp? No, it's a personal preference. Can I buy pre-deveined shrimp? Yes, many stores sell them deveined. Deveining shrimp is a simple yet crucial skill in cooking. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, understanding this process can enhance your culinary creations. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy cooking and learning!